Hello everyone. Welcome back to Waterfront Academy's channel. Today, we're going to show you how to play one of our favorite classroom activities, the Spanish vocabulary memory game. This game is wonderful for children ages 6 to 12, and it's an extension of a classic activity many children first encounter in Montessori primary between ages 3 and 6. But in our elementary classroom, we take it a step further. We use it to support Spanish language development. Memory games are fantastic for strengthening concentration, visual discrimination, and working memory. Skills essential for academic success across all subjects. At Waterfront Academy, we use memory to reinforce Spanish vocabulary. Each week, we choose 20 thematic words that gives us 40 total cards. And children practice saying each word out loud as they flip the cards over. Here's how we prepare our cards, in case you'd like to make your own at home or school. Print out your vocabulary cards on cardstock. Each word appears twice, so you always have pairs. Print the card backs. This step is optional, but it adds a professional, fun touch. We print ours on regular cardstock, cut the cards to size, glue the printed backs onto each card to give them a polished look. Lamination is optional, but we laminate ours so they last for years and can be used across multiple classrooms. For home use, you can absolutely skip the backs and laminating. All you need is paper, scissors, and a little patience. To set up the game, shuffle all 40 cards thoroughly and place them face down. Most people like to place the cards in a neat grid because it's easy to scan and remember. But if your child is ready for more of a challenge, try scattering the cards randomly. Montessori children love the variety. Now let's play. Players take turns flipping 2 cards over. Each time a card is flipped, the student says the Spanish word out loud. This helps reinforce pronunciation and strengthen the brain's auditory memory pathways. If the 2 cards match, the player keeps the pair. If they do not match, the cards are flipped back to the same spot, and the next player takes a turn. The game continues until all pairs have been found. At the end of the game, the player with the most pairs wins. But in Montessori style, we remind students that the goal is not competition, but mastery, focus, and joy in learning. We hope you enjoy making and playing your own Spanish vocabulary memory game. It's a simple but powerful tool for language acquisition, and children love it. If you try this at home, let us know how it goes. And don't forget to subscribe for more Montessori and dual language resources from Waterfront Academy. Hasta pronto, see you next time.